In today's video, I am going to show you how to start making passive income online with Blogger and Clickbank. And this is XB Marketing with another video. And for those who are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online, CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. And if you like this type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other awesome content as well. All right. For those who don't know what Blogger is, basically, Blogger is a platform that is owned by Google. You can use this platform to create a blog where you can post articles. So just think of it as a website where you can post your content for free in form of articles, of course, and you don't have to pay for hosting. So basically, the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to Clickbank. So once you go to Clickbank, you want to make sure you come over to the marketplace. And once you come over to the marketplace, you are going to see a bunch of categories here where you can choose a Clickbank product from. All right. So basically, I am just going to be taking the health and fitness as an example. I'm going to click on this diet and weight loss. So as you can see right here, a lot of products popped up, and also you can see right here, this is the amount you are going to get paid when you make a successful sale for this product. All right, as you can see, this one right here, you are going to get paid $28.85 for every sale that you make for this product. You can see right here the smoothie diet 21-day rapid weight loss system. And also, before you choose any product, if you are a beginner, I advise that you go on to promote a cheaper product, because you can see there's a product right here that's going to pay you $131.70 for every sale you make. So basically, it's going to be difficult getting sales if you are a newbie promoting this expensive product. So I always recommend you go for a cheaper product. Okay, so basically you need literally 4 sales a day to make over $100 with this product. So I'm going to show you what you need to do. So now, before you promote any product, I always recommend that you go over to look at the landing page and look at how the landing page looks like. Is this something you would also make purchase from? So I'm going to click on this and we are going to take a look at the landing page. All right, as you can see, this is a very simple landing page here. And also, probably this is the owner of the product that is going to be doing a walkthrough of what you are going to get when you purchase this product. All right, so you can see it's a very nice landing page. All right, so basically all your visitors needs to do is to purchase this product, and you are going to get paid $28. So now you want to go back to Clickbank, and now you want to click on this promote. So you want to basically write something that is going to make you know where your sales come from. So you can just basically type in something like weight loss. Basically, this helps you to track your sales. All right, so basically, once you make any sale, as you can see right here, this is weight loss right here. So any sale that you make to this product is going to have weight loss in it, which will make you know where your sales are coming from. So you want to copy this link right here, and you want to go over to a new tab and check out the link and see that everything works before you start promoting it. And also, you want to make sure you see that your username is on the URL once you paste it in a new tab. So once you see that your username is in the URL, then you know that everything works and you can start promoting that link. So now the next thing you want to do is you want to go over and create a Blogger account. So all you just need to do from here, if you don't have a Blogger account, you can just click on create your blog. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page right here. Depending on the niche that you want to work with, you can just type in weight loss. So I'm just going to be taking weight loss SB marketing as an example. All right, so basically, as you can see right here, you want to also give your blog a name. As you can see right here, I'm just going to type in weight loss XBM here and click on next. So basically, here you want to type in a display name for your website. So you're just going to type in something like weight loss XBM again. All right, so basically I'm taking this as an example, but you want to give it a better name. So once you have your blog created, the next thing you want to do from here, you want to click on this new post. So once you do that, this is where you are going to be writing a blog post. And don't worry, I have a strategy that you can use without having to pay people to create articles for you, or without having to write them yourself. So what you can do is, all right, so once you go to Google and type in how to lose weight, all you just literally need to do is click on some of the websites at the top here. So if I click on this first one as an example, so all you just need to do is copy the whole of the article on this website. All right, so once you copy this article, you want to go over to the website called paraphraser.io, and you want to paste in this article right here, and you want to rewrite the article. So basically, once you paste it right here, you want to click on this I am not a robot, and then you want to click on paraphrase now, and it's going to take a few moments, and once it's completed, you are going to get the paraphrased article. All right, as you can see right here, it didn't take up to 10 seconds, and now you can see we have a new article here, because you don't want to go over and copy and paste an article from a website on Google. You don't want to do that, because that is literally stealing people's content. So basically, you can come over and grab their content, and you want to rewrite the content. So once you have that rewritten, all you want to do is go over to your blog, and you want to paste in the article right here, the one you've just rewritten. And also, because I don't want this video to be too long, you want to make sure you actually read the article and make sure that it makes sense. So once you have that done, you want to basically come over here. So basically, you want to type in something simple like this, and you want to type best weight loss product, or you want to type something catchy that makes people want to click on that link. And then you want to come over to this link, and you want to go back to your Clickbank account and copy the link you just generated for that product, and you want to go back here and paste in the Clickbank link right here and click on apply. All right, so once you do that, all you literally need to do is copy and paste this same link a few places on the article. All right, so once you've literally done that, like I said, I don't want this video to be too long, but ideally you want to go over this article and make sure what you've written makes sense. All right, so once everything looks good, all you just need to do is click on publish. All right, so once you click on publish, everything is going to be published, and now this is the link to your article. So what you want to do from here now, you want to head over to Quora, and you want to go over to the search bar and type in how to lose weight. Okay, so once you type that on Quora, you are going to see a lot of questions about how to lose weight right here. All you just literally need to do is click on each and every of this question, and you want to give an answer to this question using your Blogger link. So basically, you want to click on this eye icon right here to view your blog post. As you can see, this is the blog post right here. Okay, so basically, if anyone comes to this page and click on this link right here, which says best weight loss product, they will be taken to this Clickbank product, and once they make a purchase, you make money. And the reason why we are going to be using Quora to drive traffic is because you can see right here, it gets over 1 billion visits every single month. All right, so making 4 sales a day is nothing. So basically, once you come over to Quora, like I said, all you need to do is write a very short answer, leaving a link to your article right here. Okay, so basically this is how you can do it. And the second method you can use is virtually creating a question. If you come to this section right here that says add question, so all you just need to do is type in a question as well. So basically, once you type in question like this, sometimes Quora is going to make suggestion, and you can see this question right here has just 11 answers, and I can guarantee you that this question gets thousands of views every single month. So basically, you can expect clicks to your landing page if you leave an answer to this question. All right, so basically, you can continue and type in how to lose weight fast, and you can add that question. So once you've added that question, then you can also leave an answer with another Quora account that is going to link to this landing page right here. So basically, that is how you can start driving traffic using Quora. And if you go over and scroll down, you can see right here the majority of the traffic is tier 1 traffic. All right, so basically that brings us to the end of this video. And if you find any useful information in this video, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.